Welcome to Wild Edibles video number 7, Spicebush. This little bush here is called the Spicebush. It grows along trails and along roadsides and fields and near rivers. And if you can tell here, I'll zoom in. They've got these nice little red berries on them like this. This is called the Spicebush. The Revolutionary soldiers during our country's founding, they actually used this as a tea substitute. You can take these twigs and grind them up and put them in coffee, and it's tea, and it's really, really good. And the berries, you can actually make those into like an allspice spice. And when I squish one of these seeds, you can tell it's got a orange inside with a big black seed, and the skin is red. It's got a really pungent citrus smell. It's a really good smell. And I'll gather a couple of these up here, and I'll go ahead and make some allspice out of them. And I'm going to take a couple of these twigs as well and make some, you can put them in water and steep them for a couple of minutes and make a good tea out of it. It reminds me kind of like a sweet tea, maybe with a peach taste. So it's a really interesting plant. Some of these plants won't have berries on them. That's the male version, but this is the female version. And if you scrape some of this vine and smell it, it's really got a nice pungent citrusy smell as well. And this is the leaf pattern of the Spicebush. Looks like something's been eaten on these. But there, I got an alternating leaf pattern with no teeth along the edge. And again, if you scratch some of this and smell it, you'll know a Spicebush when you see it. If you have any confusion, there you have it. Look at this amazing spider that's decided to make its home on this Spicebush. Hope you can see that. Wow. Here are the Spicebush seeds. After I've crushed them, I wanted to crush the skins and get the skins and the seeds separate so that I can dry them easier. I'm going to put them in the dehydrator, and then after that I'll put them through a food processor and create like a peppery allspice type of spice that you can put on foods. And this berry is very high in fat, so they'll oxidize real quick and turn black before you know it. And this plant has a chemical called benzoin in it, and apparently it's not good for pregnant women to try any of this stuff, so just keep that in mind if you try any of these berries or seeds, or steep any of the leaves or the twigs and make tea out of it. And here's an old batch of Spicebush, ground up Spicebush that I created after I dehydrated and ground it up. So it pretty much looks like pepper. And that's the finished product from grinding up the berries and the seeds. And here with the twig, I went ahead and scraped it with my thumb and then cut it into little pieces. And I'm just going to basically boil a little bit of water, drop that in, let it steep for, 3 to 5 minutes, and then add some sugar and have some nice tea.